Hi Sudoku friends, welcome back. Fourth puzzle, a binary puzzle. So let's get started. A lot of ones, so I start with a 1, double 1, here and O, there and O. Here double 1, here and O, there and O. Here double 1, here and O, there and O. Here double 1, here and O, there and O. We have a double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between two O's comes an 1, double O, here and 1, then 1, double 1, here and O, then O, double 1, here and O, then O, double 1, here and O, then O, double 1, here and O, then O. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here and 1, then 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. This is a binary puzzle with 8 by 8, so 4 ones and 4 O's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Then I need to think. Yes, if you look to this column and this column, it's almost the same. 1, 1, O, 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 1, 1, and then we have a blank box, O, O, 1, 1, and then we have a blank box here and O. I cannot put the O here, because if I put the O here, then it's this identical with this column, because this will be automatically a 1. So I need to switch the digits. So we have here 1, this supposed to be an O, and this a 1. Otherwise we have identical columns or rows. The rule is no identical rows or columns. Alright, can I continue now? Yes, double O, here and 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Here and 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Cannot continue? No. We have almost look to this row and to this row. We have a 1, 1, O, 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 1, 1, O, O. So it's almost the identical. Same like this, 1, 1. But if I put the O here, then this will be a 1, 1, 1. So then we have identical. So I need to switch these two digits. So this is an O, this must be a 1, double 1, here and O, then O. Yes. Alright, almost the same problem like with this column. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then then I need to do we have no 100. Yes, no, look to this row and this row. We have a 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Then we have a blank box 0 0 1 1, and then a blank box. So if I put the O here, then this should be a 1. Then it will be identical with this row. Cannot be. So this is an O, this should be a 1, and this should be an O. Alright, 1 2 3 4 O's, and the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright, for this binary puzzle. So remember this, no identical rows or no identical columns. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic. This will be a hard. I hate tectonics, especially when it takes an hour. So it's I need to more practice with the tectonic puzzles. Suguru, aka. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you in a minute. Bye bye.